This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about soup spoons, specifically these Voga Melamine soup and tasting spoons. And there's several different style and color options. We have the white Asian soup spoon. It's 4 3/4 inches long by 1.5 inches wide and features that traditional shape and a nice flat bottom, meaning it's excellent for soup or putting out besides chopsticks for a place setting, but also great for things like the presentations of apps, small bites, and mini desserts. We have the black teardrop Japanese Moderna and also the white version as well. And both of these are 4 1/4 inches long by 1 3/4 inches wide, and you can see feature this wonderful stylish teardrop shape that really has a sleek, very modern presentation to it. They both have those nice flat bottoms, so they're really stable and fantastic for using for the presentation of small bites, portions, whether those are savory or sweet, maybe just a little dumpling or an individual piece of sushi or sashimi. It's very stylish and sleek presentation. We have the white Chinese soup spoon. This one is 5 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, and you can see this one features a rounded bottom. So it's really for use with soups. It could even be used as a small ladle for sauces. It's a nice little piece. And then we have the 1 ounce black tasting spoon Japanese curva. This one is 5 3/4 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. And you can see it has that nice kind of satiny black finish to it. So it's just a nice, sleek, stylish piece. And it's got that little curve there on the end of the handle, just for a tiny bit of flair. These melamine spoons are durable and shatterproof. There's no need to worry about the breakage that comes with porcelain or the waste of disposable items, making them an awesome reusable option for soup and tasting spoons. You've got some nice color and unique shapes to choose from, giving you some really eye-catching finishes and sleek designs to choose. They're perfect for use with soups, the presentation and eating of dumplings, especially soup dumplings that give off a lot of liquid. Or they can be used for things like tasting menus, the presentation of apps, and even mini desserts. They're built to withstand long-term commercial use, and they're perfect for any establishment looking for a solid reusable option for Asian soup or tasting spoons.